Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with just a little share. I showed this a couple days ago on my channel. If you remember, I'll put the video here. And so I've had a number of questions of how I made this, so I'm just gonna do it really quickly. And so this is, if you hadn't seen the video, this is some flat mail that I made to share some goodies with your crafty pals. There's tuck spots, pocket, and then I'm sharing these cupcake bows that I made, and it just folds up pretty flat. So yeah, what you need is a 12 by 12 paper. You're gonna cut the 12 by 12 paper in half, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I cut my 12 by 12 paper in half, so I have 6 by 12. You're going to take your paper and score it at the 4 and the 8. So you want to score at the 4 mark and the 8 mark. And then that's how you get the trifold. That's the base of it. And I just got some ephemera die cuts from different kits that I thought would match well with this collection. And I'm going to add this little tuck spot here. I am going to make this a fold out here, and then I'll just need to look for something to make a pocket here. So I will be back. Okay, I'm back, and so this is what I ended up with. So this is doodle bug paper, and I just had some cut aparts that I put here. And so I adhered this so I could have a tuck spot to share some goodies. And then I just adhered along the sides here so that I could have a pocket to stick goodies in. And here's just a flip out. You can do your sentiment here if you would like. I'm leaving mine blank because I'm just sharing stuff with a pen pal. And I added these shoes that are all foamed up. And the sentiment, those are the embellishments I'm sharing. And then there you go. And this back clothespin, and call it a day. So yeah, very easy. So 6 by 12 paper, score at 4 and 8. And then embellish as you wish. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. It is very, very easy, so welcome to my new subscribers. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Hope you like and subscribe. And share the video with any crafty friends that you might know will be interested. And until the next video, here's more. Shakas.